The roar of jet engines echoed across the tarmac. Indonesia's first batch of Dassault Rafale fighter jets had arrived, marking a turning point in the nation's defense capabilities. These were cutting-edge 4.5-generation aircraft, a symbol of Indonesia's commitment to securing its skies and asserting its presence on the global stage. The arrival of the Rafale is a clear message. Indonesia is serious about defense. The country is ready to meet the challenges of a rapidly changing world. The Indonesian Air Force was stepping into the future with some of the most advanced technology available. The Rafale, with its sleek design and formidable capabilities, represented a new chapter in Indonesia's military history. The nation was sending a message to the region and the world: underestimate Indonesia at your own peril. The arrival of the Rafale wasn't just about military hardware, it represented a deepening strategic partnership between Indonesia and France, a partnership built on mutual respect and a shared commitment to security. This collaboration was about more than just jets. It was about knowledge transfer, joint production, and building a more secure future for both nations. With the Rafale, Indonesia was ready to take its place as a leading security provider in the Indo-Pacific region. The message was clear: Indonesia was a force to be reckoned with. The Dassault Rafale isn't just a fighter jet, it's a technological marvel, a testament to French engineering prowess. The Rafale is a true multi-role aircraft, capable of performing a wide range of missions. Air superiority, ground attack, reconnaissance, and even nuclear deterrence, the Rafale can do it all. Its versatility is what makes it such a valuable asset for any air force. The Rafale boasts a powerful active electronically scanned array, or AESA radar, giving it unparalleled situational awareness. This radar can detect and track multiple targets simultaneously, giving the pilot a clear advantage in any engagement. The Rafale is equipped with a suite of advanced sensors and electronic warfare systems. These systems provide the pilot with real-time information, enhancing their decision-making abilities in the heat of combat. One of the Rafale's most potent weapons is the Meteor missile. The Meteor is a beyond visual range air-to-air missile with a range of over 200 kilometers. With the Meteor, the Rafale can strike enemy aircraft from a safe distance, giving it a decisive advantage in air combat. The Rafale is designed with the pilot in mind, featuring an ergonomically designed cockpit to minimize pilot workload and maximize situational awareness. The arrival of the Rafale in Indonesia wasn't just about the jets themselves. It marked the beginning of a strategic partnership between Dassault Aviation and PT Dirgantara Indonesia, or PTDI. This collaboration goes beyond a simple buyer-seller relationship. It represents a shared commitment to technological advancement, industrial cooperation, and regional security. For Dassault, this partnership provides access to a growing market in Southeast Asia. Indonesia, with its strategic location and ambitious defense modernization plans, is a key partner in the region. By working with PTDI, Dassault can tailor the Rafale to meet the specific requirements of the Indonesian Air Force. For Indonesia, the benefits are even greater. The partnership with Dassault offers Indonesia the opportunity to develop its domestic aerospace industry. By participating in the production and maintenance of the Rafale, PTDI gains valuable experience and technological know-how. This transfer of technology will have a ripple effect throughout the Indonesian economy, boosting local industries and creating high-skilled jobs. By developing its own defense industrial base, Indonesia reduces its reliance on foreign suppliers and strengthens its national security. The partnership with Dassault is a key step in this direction. The collaboration between Dassault and PTDI is a model for international cooperation. The partnership between PTDI and Dassault is a major boost for Indonesia's burgeoning aerospace industry. PTDI, a state-owned company, has a long history of aircraft manufacturing and maintenance. But the Rafale project represents a significant step up in terms of technological complexity and ambition. The Rafale program will push PTDI to further develop its capabilities and become a major player in the global aerospace market. The Indonesian government has made it clear that it sees the defense industry as a key driver of economic growth. The country has ambitious plans to modernize its armed forces, and it's looking to local companies like PTDI to play a leading role. The Rafale project is a test case for Indonesia's defense industrial policy, and its success is crucial for the country's long-term economic and security goals. Instead of simply assembling components designed elsewhere, PTDI will be involved in the entire production process, from design to manufacturing to maintenance. This will give Indonesian engineers and technicians invaluable experience working with cutting-edge technology. Indonesia needs to invest in education and training to ensure that it has a pipeline of engineers, technicians, and other skilled workers to support its growing aerospace industry. The arrival of the Rafale in Indonesia has sent ripples throughout Southeast Asia's geopolitical landscape. The region, home to vital shipping lanes and a growing economic powerhouse, is facing increasing security challenges. Territorial disputes, maritime piracy, and the rise of China's military power have created a complex and uncertain security environment. Indonesia's acquisition of the Rafale is a clear indication that the country is taking these challenges seriously. Indonesia's neighbors, many of whom are engaged in their own military modernization programs, are watching closely. The Rafale's arrival could spark a mini-arms race in the region, as countries seek to maintain their military edge. But it could also lead to greater cooperation, as Southeast Asian nations look to pool resources and share information to address common security threats. The Rafale's arrival is likely to raise concerns in Beijing. China's growing assertiveness in the South China Sea has put it at odds with several Southeast Asian nations, including Indonesia. The Rafale, with its advanced capabilities, enhances Indonesia's ability to defend its maritime interests and deter potential aggression. The country is committed to diplomacy and peaceful resolution of disputes, but recognizes the need to maintain a credible deterrent to protect its interests. The arrival of the first Rafale jets is just the beginning of what promises to be a long and fruitful partnership between Dassault and PTDI. Both companies have ambitious plans for the future, and the Rafale program is just the first step. This partnership has the potential to reshape the aerospace landscape in Southeast Asia and beyond. One possibility is that Indonesia could become a regional hub for Rafale sales and maintenance. PTDI, with its growing expertise on the Rafale, could service the needs of other Southeast Asian countries that operate or are considering acquiring the aircraft. This would give Indonesia a major boost in terms of economic and geopolitical influence. Another possibility is the development of an Indonesian Rafale variant. This aircraft would incorporate Indonesian-designed and produced components, further boosting PTDI's technological capabilities, and potentially making the aircraft more attractive to other customers in the region. Dassault has shown a willingness to share technology and work with local partners, so this is a real possibility. The partnership between Dassault and PTDI could also extend beyond the Rafale program. The two companies could collaborate on other projects, such as the development of unmanned aerial vehicles or the modernization of Indonesia's existing fleet of aircraft. The success of the Dassault-PTDI partnership will depend on continued commitment from both sides, as well as a favorable political and economic environment. Imagine, for a moment, the year is 2030. Indonesian Air Force pilots, clad in their flight suits, stride confidently towards a line of sleek fighter jets. These aren't just any Rafales, though. These are Indonesian Rafales, a testament to the successful partnership between Dassault and PTDI. These aircraft represent the next generation of Indonesian air power, a force to be reckoned with in the region. These aircraft, while based on the original Rafale design, sport distinct Indonesian modifications. Perhaps they incorporate advanced avionics developed by Indonesian engineers, or utilize locally produced composite materials. Maybe they're even armed with a new generation of Indonesian-made air-to-air missiles, showcasing the country's burgeoning defense industry. The Indonesian Rafale isn't just a point of national pride, it symbolizes a shift in the balance of power. Indonesia, once reliant on foreign suppliers for its advanced weaponry, has become a regional leader in aerospace technology. The Indonesian Rafale is more than just a jet, it's a beacon, attracting talented engineers and scientists from across the archipelago and beyond. Indonesia now possesses a world-class fighter jet tailored to its specific needs and operational environment. The Indonesian Rafale is a testament to what can be achieved when nations work together in the spirit of partnership and innovation. The arrival of the Rafale jets, and the ambitious partnership between Dassault and PTDI, herald a new dawn for Indonesian air power. Indonesia, a vast archipelago nation with a proud history, is stepping onto the world stage as a confident and capable player. The Rafale is just the tip of the spear, a symbol of Indonesia's determination to chart its own course in a turbulent world. The Indonesian Air Force, once equipped with an aging fleet of aircraft, is undergoing a transformation. The Rafale, with its advanced capabilities, provides Indonesia with a credible deterrent against potential adversaries. But it's about more than just military hardware. It's about building a more secure and prosperous future for Indonesia and its people. The Rafale program is a testament to Indonesia's commitment to investing in its future. By developing its own defense industry, Indonesia is creating high-skilled jobs, boosting its economy, and reducing its reliance on foreign suppliers. The future looks bright for Indonesian air power. With the Rafale in its arsenal, and the partnership with Dassault taking flight, Indonesia is well positioned to meet the challenges of the 21st century.